Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been struggling with dark spots, post acne marks, or dullness, today's video is for you. I have been testing out two of the most popular Korean serums that claims to brighten skin and fade dark spots. The Anua Niacinamide 10% plus tranexamic acid 4% serum and the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. So which one actually works better and which one is gentler and which one do I personally prefer? Let's break it down all the ingredients, texture, feel, application, results, and who should be using each one. Let's start with what these serums are meant to do. Anua Niacinamide 10% plus tranexamic acid 4% serum. The Anua Niacinamide 10% plus tranexamic acid 4% serum is a high strength brightening and anti dark spot serum. It targets hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and uneven skin tone. Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule is a gentle brightening ampule with micro capsules designed for hydrating, calming, and gradually brightening the skin. While Anua focuses more on pigment correcting actives, Skin 1004 leans into soothing, brightening with added hydration. The Anua Niacinamide 10% plus tranexamic acid 4% serum comes in a 30 ml clean minimalistic glass bottle with a glass dropper applicator, and it feels sturdy and premium in the hand. By the way, if you are wondering about the reddish tint of this serum, it's actually due to cyanocobalamin, which is vitamin B12. It naturally has a bright pink tone and just a tiny amount is enough to tint the whole formula. It's totally safe and non-staining and it disappears once applied. Let's take a closer look at the Anua niacinamide and tranexamic acid dark spot correcting serum because the ingredient list here is loaded. The star actives are 10% niacinamide, which is a powerhouse for brightening, oil control, and barrier repair. However, 10% can be too much for some skin types, especially sensitive or reactive skin, as niacinamide is known to work effectively even at concentrations as low as 2 to 5%. It has 4% tranexamic acid. This ingredient has become a rising star in skincare, especially for treating hyperpigmentation, melasma, and post acne marks. Originally used in medicine to prevent excessive bleeding, tranexamic acid works in skincare by blocking the pathway that triggers excess melanin production, the pigment responsible for dark spots. What makes TXA unique is that it fades discoloration without exfoliating the skin, making it suitable for even for sensitive or inflamed skin types. It also helps calm redness and skin inflammation, which is great for those with PIH or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. At 4%, the Anua serum offers a solid, clinically backed concentration that can really help brighten uneven skin tone over time, especially when paired with other brighteners like niacinamide and arbutin. But because it's combined with high strength niacinamide and vitamin C derivatives, it's best to start slowly and monitors your skin's reaction. It has alpha arbutin plus arbutin. These work together to inhibit melanin production and fade dark marks faster. It also has 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, a stabilized form of vitamin C for added glow and antioxidant protection. Hydration and barrier support ingredients in this serum are multiple types of hyaluronic acid, including sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and sodium acetylated hyaluronic acid that provide multi-layer hydration. It has panthenol, ceramide anti, polyglutamic acid, all known for soothing and maintaining a healthy moisture barrier. There are some botanical soothers in this serum: Centella asiatica, Artemisia princeps, camellia seed oil, and peach flower extract. They help calm inflammation and sensitivity. Macadamia, jojoba, olive, and grapeseed oils nourish and provide a lightweight emollient layer without clogging pores. Now, bonus points for including betaine salicylate, a super gentle exfoliant to help keep pores clear and aid in better ingredient absorption. Now, let's move on to texture of the serum. The texture is very much what you would expect from a watery serum. Lightweight, non-greasy, quick to absorb, and ideal for layering in any routine. When you apply it, it glides smoothly and dries down with just a slight tackiness, which disappears after a few minutes. It layers beautifully under moisturizers and sunscreen and doesn't pill at all. It's been dermatologically tested for low irritation, which is impressive considering the strength of its actives, but I would still recommend introducing it slowly if you have sensitive or compromised skin. Now, this serum is suitable for all skin types, especially acne prone, dull, or combination skin, but best for those who can tolerate stronger formulations. It's best used in the evening after toner and before moisturizer. Start with 2 to 3 times a week and build up. Always pair with SPF during the daytime. Now let's move on to Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule. It comes in a 100 ml clear glass bottle with a glass dropper applicator. The dropper allows for precise hygienic dose so you can control how much product you use without wasting it. The transparent glass bottle showcases the beautiful gel-like serum with visible microcapsules suspended inside the serum, which gives it a unique and premium feel. Overall, it feels luxurious and practical, balancing aesthetics with function. The larger size of the bottle means you get a good amount of product that can last for months, making it a great value. This ampoule has a smooth, essence-like gel texture featuring visible made white microbeads that melt instantly on contact. It absorbs quickly, leaving a soft, non-sticky finish with a subtle glow. Thanks to its oil-in-water gel technology that delivers long-lasting hydration while brightening. Drop a suitable amount onto your palm and then spread evenly over the face. Pat gently to encourage absorption. It can be used morning and evening, layering well under moisturizer and sunscreens. The Skin 1004 Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule is an ideal daily use ampoule formulated with 4% niacinamide, 2% tranexamic acid, and encapsulated made white or these small white beads suspended in the serum is a patented natural brightening ingredient. It's designed for gentle yet effective dark spot correction, brightening dull skin while calming irritation. So the key benefits of this serum are it calms and soothes sensitive or irritated skin. It corrects dark spots and even out skin tone. It fades dullness and imparts a natural glow. Who it's for? It's perfect for normal, sensitive and combination skin types looking for gentle brightening with hydration. Now the key ingredients are Centella asiatica extract that soothes, regenerates skin, supports collagen and calms redness. It has 4% niacinamide that brightens and fades pigmentation gradually. It has 2% tranexamic acid that help reduce melanin production, addressing stubborn discoloration. 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, a stable vitamin C derivative that brightens without irritation. It also has medicassoside, skin barrier support, and anti-inflammatory agent. It has lactobacillus ferment, which is a probiotic derived ingredient made by fermenting lactobacillus bacteria. In skincare, it's valued for strengthening the skin's natural barrier, soothing inflammation and redness, balancing the skin's microbiome, the good bacteria on the skin, and enhancing hydration and improving skin texture. It can also help improve skin's resilience, making it less reactive and sensitive over time. This ampoule has earned praise for being a holy grail serum for sensitive skin struggling with hyperpigmentation. Many users report visible fading of dark spots with consistent use over several weeks, especially when paired with complementary products like Centella toner and soothing cream. Now, who should use which serum? Anua niacinamide serum is best for you if you want a strong, fast-acting brightening treatment for stubborn dark spots and melasma. If your skin is resilient and not easily irritated, since it has 10% niacinamide concentration, which is quite potent. Or if you don't mind a watery serum texture that absorbs quickly but can feel a little bit tacky at first. Or if you are comfortable layering actives and using it a few times a week, building up tolerance. Skin 1004 Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule is ideal if you have sensitive, combination, or normal skin that needs gentle brightening without irritation. If you prefer a hydrating, soothing gel ampoule texture with visible microcapsules that melt into your skin. Or if you want a daily use product that calms redness and strengthens your skin barrier while fading dark spots gradually. Or if you appreciate a larger bottle size for value and longer use. For me personally, I prefer Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. It fits better into my routine because it's gentle, hydrating, and comfortable to wear every day. The calming ingredients make it a win for my combination and sensitive skin, and I love how it leaves my skin feeling naturally bright and healthy over time. So that said, if you have tougher skin and want quicker results on stubborn pigmentation, the Anua serum is a powerful option. Just be sure to introduce it gradually to avoid irritation. Many users rave about Anua for its effective dark spot correction and visible brightening within weeks. Meanwhile, Skin 1004 has a loyal fan base praising it as a holy grail for sensitive, hyperpigmented skin thanks to its soothing yet brightening formula. Both products have high ratings and positive reviews, so it really comes down to your skin type and tolerance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this detailed comparison helps you decide which Korean dark spot serum might work best for your skin type. If you have tried either the N1 niacinamide tranexamic acid serum or Skin 1004 tone brightening capsule ampoule, please share your experience down in the comments below. I would love to hear what worked for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more honest skincare reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I will leave links to both products along with my YesStyle discount code in the description box below. Take care of your skin and I will see you in the next video. Bye.